Hi class, let's go ahead and practice a difference of cubes problem. The first thing I would suggest doing is thinking about how we can write 64 and 27 as the cubes of something. You'll notice that we can write 64 as 4 cubed, x cubed will stay the same, and we can write 27 as 3 cubed. And y will stay the same. We can keep this expression the same if we write it as 4x quantity cubed minus 3y quantity cubed. Now if this looks a little strange, think about how we could distribute the cubed to the 4 and to the x, or to the 3 and to the y, and we would have the previous statement. From this point forward, we're going to have to remember our formula for the difference of cubes, which is the quantity x minus y times the quantity x squared plus xy plus y squared. Now let's use our formula and the first expression that we have and start filling it in. Keep in mind that anywhere we see an x, we're going to plug in a 4x, and anywhere we see a y, we're going to plug in a 3y. So the first part of our equation would look like 4x minus 3y, and then the second part would look like 4x quantity squared plus 4x times 3y, and then plus 3y quantity squared. The first part of our expression would stay the same, so we have 4x minus 3y, and now let's simplify the second part. 4x quantity squared would be 16x squared, plus we can multiply 4 times 3 to get 12, and then xy plus 3y squared would give us 9y squared. Now the last step is to check and see if our second half of our expression is factorable. In this case, it doesn't appear to be, so we have reached our final answer of 4x minus 3y times 16x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared.